All right, people, looks like we are back today with a shipment for the Gunpla Hermit shop. As you see here, I've got a whole bunch of Gaia notes, a bunch of different colors. We sort through those in a little bit, but the main course for this one, I'm going to show you the haul that I just got for restocks and for a couple of new kits that we got in. So I'm going to move these out of the way, but I definitely wanted to show you how many of these Gaia notes paints that we have. And there are, I think there's 28 different colors here, plus a surfacer and the EX silver, which I just got those in. These are the only ones from those lines that we could get. But for these ones, like I said, 28 different colors. Maybe it's 27, but I'm pretty sure it's 28. Lots of different stuff here for us. So I'm going to put those on the site. You guys will see that in a bit. And let me show you guys the restock. All right, here comes box number one. This one here, pretty big. All right, I can already see some goodies right here at the top. All right, for Christmas, get this out of the way. You see here, we got some of our Rosen Holy Knights from the 30-minute fantasy series. We also got a couple of the Roseanne Paladin. Got a few of those each. Get these ones out of the way. Got some Lightning Buster Gundams. These ones in from the new movie. Let's see, we can hold these up to here. Another one of those. Also got 3 of the Roseanne Knights. I'll probably be taking one of these for myself. And we've got the Strike Freedom Gundam full burst mode, which, just looking from the images here, really cool looking kit. I haven't built this one. I don't do master grades too much, so this isn't one that was on my radar. But from the box art, it looks sick. And we got a couple of those in. Get that out of the way. All right, box 2 here. This one's going to be a little different because I know this one has paint in it. Get this guy open. Paint shipments are odd because they're super heavy compared to what we got on the other side. There's a lot of dunnage, a lot of paper. It's still very heavy. So for this one, you can see here we got the Nightfall, the CC 2000 Orbiter. Don't know much about this game, but that is a really cool looking kit. Comes with a ton of weapons, lots of loadouts for you. Let's say 4 different options there. Super cool. And we've got, let's see, looks like 5 of them, so plenty to go around. Make sure you put those orders in though. Last set sold out fast. And they got some, like I told you, some paint. We got our Mr. Colors. And plenty of those by the way. So, if you've been looking for the Gundam colors, we're restocking those, getting them back out here so you can resupply, or if you're just getting into painting, get a new supply started. And these colors that are right out of the bottle, just like what you see on the box art, because these are the Gundam colors, the official ones. And man, they sure weigh a lot like this. Alright, and then last but certainly not least, we have the Master Grade Jim. Now, this is a 2.0 Jim. He is a little bit upgraded than the normal one here. You can see the internal frame. Got your core block system. You got the figure, some markings for different groups. Really cool. And I've got 3 of those guys. But other than that, that is the shipment as it stands. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the box below. And I'll see you guys next time.